Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's differentiate the prokaryocytes from that of the versus the eukaryocytes. The first one is looking at the nucleus. The nucleus is nucleus membranes, and the deoxyribonucleoprotein. They are all absent in case of the prokaryocytes. In case of the eukaryocytes, it is present. Then chromosome is present more than one. It's more than one. This is in case of the eukaryocytes. And the mitotic division is also present in case of the eukaryocytes. The cytoplasm, all the features that we're going to mention is all present in case of the eukaryocytes. That is the cytoplasmic stemming, the pinocytosis, the mitochondria, lysosomes, the Golgi apparatus, as well as the endoplasmic reticulum. Then when you look at the cell wall is present. This is in case of the prokaryocytes. And it is muramic. It is muramic as at present. Then is the stereosis. Stereosis is nothing but in the cell membrane. And this becomes absent. This is absent in case of the prokaryocytes. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.